And we are back, hopefully without the garden noise. Before we go any further, because we're almost at the end of this bag, I just realized that I did not show you the part where we took the magnetic snap panel and attached it to the exterior panel. All we're going to do is baste it down, but I wanted to make sure you saw that part. I will do my best to edit it in to the correct place. We're basting. I did not change my stitch to a basting stitch. Probably should have, but I didn't. I like to baste this stuff down just so it doesn't flap around, go wonky on me somehow. Helps me to keep it from getting caught in other parts. It's, basting. It also flattens the material, especially along the seams, obviously. And when you start stacking these seams one on top of each other, the flatter that can be, the better off you are. Okay, now we've got that stitched down. I got glitter from somewhere. You see inside our magnetic snap. Now we need to put the receiver, so the female in on here. Could have done that before I basted it down, but I don't like for it to move. This is something that I told you earlier, that even though I make markings, they all move, and this is definitely one that does. I found the easiest way to place the receiver or the other side is to color the part that sticks out with something, lay everything smooth, and mark it. You can see, hopefully you can see, we have the marking for the receiver end of our snap, also called the female end. So I'm going to grab a washer. I put a whole bunch in here this time because I keep losing them. And the other end of our snap, which is somewhere, there we go. And this probably is not going to be something you can see. I'll try to put it back here so you can. Same thing we've always done though. We're going to place our washer on the middle of our washer, on the middle of that mark. Then we're going to place where our prongs go. I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and hopefully slit this. I think I've told y'all I like to go from the bottom, wherever that's going to be. I don't think I got it all the way through, so I'm going to hold my hand there. I got one. I can see on the back where they started. And just make sure they're put all the way through. And put the end on the X-Acto knife so you don't cut yourself. Now I'm going to put the female in through the right side of the fabric. I like it really tight because I don't want it to move. I have a piece of errant vinyl. I'm going to stick over the top. I'm going to trim a little bit of that off. Did I put the washer on? Nope. Where is my washer? I cannot believe I'm lost. How can I lose it again? There it is. I know I'm not the only one. Take my scissors and put the prongs down. Turn the other way. Oh, look, it snaps. It's in the right place. Bring out my duct tape and cover it up to keep it from rubbing against the fabric. I love this clear duct tape. It doesn't matter what you use. It's not any different. I just like that it's clear. There we go. And now we truly have a magnetic snap pocket. So when I said we're on the home stretch, I meant we're in the home stretch. It is really time to put this baby together.